Very good morning to you all, friends. I hope you all had a very profitable day. We've been sharing stock option picks also along with the Bank Nifty option picks. These are pre-market views. Request to also join our services to understand how to execute and also how where to exit the trades. As we will not be able to explain in detail on a YouTube video how to enter, whether not to enter, exit, all that, because market is volatile. It doesn't move as we think. We think that market can move up, and then it moves up, and then traps all the longs, and then suddenly falls huge dip down. You've been watching our YouTube, and I'm sure it has been very. I wouldn't say it is very profitable. However, I can definitely watch that, there must be some improvement in your trading style. You know, we always been advising not to go huge positions. Number two, be disciplined. Do not over trade because there are only two, three few things which is can bring you success. One is discipline, right trade setups. When I say right trade setups, risk and reward has to be understood. If your risk is 1, your reward has to be at least 1.5. That is a right trade setup. That doesn't make sense. We can scalp for 40 points, easily and do make profit. And over trading is another culprit which needs to be taken care of. A lot of people I share though I share the pre-market levels have to be followed because this uh, first half of the day, most big moves get over. After that, you'll have to wait, and then we have to wait off, and then later is mostly a range bond or premium killing. So understand that executing a trade. A lot of people, after the trade target is over, they ask me, "Sir, shall I enter now?" Trade is over. Doesn't make sense. Let me just share what are the trades which we had shared yesterday. One was ICICI Prudential. These were the trades which were shared. We said buy IndusInd Bank above 160 CE above. This was shared. Uh, uh, Let me just show you where it was shared. Okay, so let me explain about 2.69, and the target here mentioned was, one moment, sorry. Target mentioned was 33, and the high which was made was around 32. Put easily, the PL put went 29 to 44, and PVR from 28 went to 42, if I'm right. So all these targets, and these are pre-market, we had shared in our YouTube as well. Uh, if you see very clearly, we had shared this on the YouTube. We had mentioned about Shri Cements, which gave about 5% fall. Tata Steel, we were not very sure. We had shared buy above this level. Bajaj Auto, I think also we had shared to buy above certain levels. So PL, this was the trade. PVR, and Bank Nifty, if I'm recollect, let me check if it is still there, or I think Bank Nifty we had shared So there were two 41 400 about 330. This never moved about 300 if I'm right. 41 700 we mentioned 310. It hit the target of 450 right in the opening itself. Post this, we were waiting for a pretty long time. We had people, trading in put PEL, making profits. Uh, I think people traded in Bank Nifty Pool, which gave us good profits. Some in Nifty. These were the trades which was traded. IndusInd Bank, I had shared. Some made some small profits. Uh, so, whereas most of the trades were well taken, and we were expecting. We thought Bank Nifty spot can move much lower, but at some certain point in time, we realized Bank Nifty is getting support from 41 300. Below this, only very big moves, and above, and then we shared one CE. You can take it as a hero or zero. 41 400 from 65 made a high, I think almost about 180. So this is how market was. Without taking much of a time, let me share the levels for tomorrow. I have 41 800 CE Bank Nifty. We will think of three, if about 330 level, we will think of target of we will execute and probably look to target 380 400 plus. And 41 500 put, once this moves above 330 levels, then we can expect around 400 plus. So as I mentioned, do contact us on our WhatsApp. You all have our WhatsApp number. We have shared multiple times on our YouTube. Uh, so please do join our services, even at least for a week's time. We will charge some nominal fee, and we will see how best we can execute our profit trades. If you see for 10th, I have these stocks for long side or in the radar, and these stocks HDFC, Bank, DLF on the short side. So let's come with MGL. MGL, once the 900 call can move above 14.9, then I think we will look to buy above 4.9 for a target of 18 to 20 plus. Also, we are sharing the Bank Nifty equity levels 397 above. We look at targets of 5905. Rain Industries, I am a little not so confident because the lot size is huge. So you need to trade with caution. If 700 call moves above 5.2, then you can buy like 5.25, 5.3 for a stop loss of 4.7. With a stop loss 4.7, target could be 6 to 6.5. AB Capital also we have looking to trade once this moves, I think above. So this is if it tends to stay above 488, and then our target could be 149. Sorry, 148. Then our target could be 149 to 151. India Cement also I'm looking. One moment. Ah, let's look at Glenmark. Glenmark 400 CE. Once this move about 10.3, my targets would be 12.4, 12 to 12 plus. Stop loss, our best friend has to be taken care of. AU Bank, I will look at over live market options and then trade. AU Bank, I am looking to uh, buy 640, put above 15.6, and targets could be around 20. DLF, I have 355 put. Once this moves above 7.2, then I can look at 8.89 plus. So thank you all for joining. Thank you all for your likes, for your suggestions. I'm trying to match the timings of the market and make videos either late night or in the mornings so that you're able to watch and execute. Thanks for your time. I understand my voice sometimes is a little low due to some throat dry cough, and also the noise factors external can also affect. Thank you. Good luck.